Stand up, stand up! Oh! Don't throw things!
Oh my goodness, Sarah.
I
told you. Red.
Ooh.
Sarah, don't be silly. I'm gonna wreck her hair.
Oh. You could have dried her hair.
No, I'm just taking a braid. Taking a video.
Yeah. That's how bad my hair is.
Yeah, her hair is naturally dreaded.
Hey. Kelly has to pedal. Ow. Kelly. Hey. Has to pedal. Kelly has to pedal. Then go pedal. There's a bathroom right there. There's a peeing place. Here, I'll show you the peeing place.
I have to put on bra.
Wait, who's in the shower? That's weird. Why is she in the shower already? Okay. Look at Sarah's eyes. That's really cool. For a moment inside, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. I wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. Yeah? What?
What time are you